everyone, welcome to Botany Insider. So today is the 12th day in the question practice, and the question for you is that in bacteria the heat shock response is controlled by which of the following factors. That is, you have to tell by which of the factors the heat shock response is controlled. You have four options for the same. The first option is sigma S, second option is sigma E, third option is sigma 32, and the fourth option is sigma 70. So you have the question and the options in front of you. Try to read, try to understand the question very nicely, and then only mark the answers in the comment sections. You'll get the answer for the same on the Telegram channel. The link for the same is in the description box. Check it out and do not forget to solve the other questions as well. So this was about for this particular question. Thank you for watching. Keep learning, keep practicing, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Botany Insider. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon.